guys, we have completed up to question number 4 last day. Look at question number 5. Here you have given a group of decimal numbers and they have asked you to compare it and arrange them in descending order. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to write the numbers given to us, that is 1.6, then 0.11, then the next number is 24.010, 24.008, 24.1 and 24.0004. Before we compare, I'll suggest you convert all the numbers given to you into like decimals. You can see you have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Now we have to convert all the 6 numbers in like decimal. That if you convert it into like decimals, it will be very easy to compare. How to convert in the like decimal? Just see the maximum number of digits after decimal. Here we have 4 digits. So everywhere will make it 4 digits after decimal. So what we are doing, I am going to convert it. I have 1.6, means 1 digit I have. I'll be adding this 3 zeros. Though we know this value zeros has no value, the 1.6 remain 1.6 itself, but now it is converted into like decimal. Now the next number, I have 2 digit after decimal, so I'll be adding 2 zeros. Third number, I have 3 digit after decimal, so I'll be adding 1 zero. Fourth number also, I have 3 digit after decimal, so I'll be adding 1 zero. It's not coming here, I'm writing it down. 24.0080. Now I have only 1 digit, so I'll be adding 3 zeros. And the last one, I have 4 digits after decimal. Now you see, I have to compare it and write it in descending order. Now 1.6, there is nothing integer. So these two are the smaller one we know. Other 4 numbers, we have 24 as integer. 24, 24, 24, 24. Now you go to the 10th digit. No, already integral part we have 24. Go to the 10th place, not 10th. 10th place, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this will be the biggest number. So I have got the first number, that is 24.1 is greater than. Now the next number, this number we have written already. Next I have 1, 2, 3. Come to the 100th digit. Here I have 1, here 0, here 0. So this would be the next greater number, 24.0100 is greater than. Now this is also written. Now I have this 2. Come to the 1000th place, 8, 0. So this would be the third greater number, 24.0080. Now this is the last one, 24.0004 among 24. Now this 2, here I have integral part 1, here no integral part. So this is greater than this. So I'll be writing 1.6 triple zeros. Then the last 0.1100. Now this is we have written. You want to write it in original way, or you should write it in original way. Here also you can write it in original way, but already to make you understand, I have written one step more, no problem. Now 24.1, it was only 24.1, so I will be writing as it is. Here I have added 1 0, it was 24.010, so I have written. Here also I have added 1 0, it was 24.008, so I have written as it is. This one was as it is, 24.0004. This one, it was 1.6 only, I have added 0, removed. Here it was 0.11, I have added 0, so removed. So this is written in descending order. You can skip this line also, there is no problem. From here you can write it here, or if you want, can use, can't use also, is up to you. There is no problem in writing or skipping. Question number 6. For constructing a house, 375.84 kg cement, 1793.718 kg sand and 12,688.94 kg bricks were used. Find the total weight of three materials used in construction. Kindly write it for the homework. This question number 6. You have to add all the three weights of the material. Always keep it in mind, convert into like term or add, or if you want to write in a column method, you write, always keep decimals should be in a straight line. Question number 7. For planting a tree, 3.15 cubic meter of soil was dug up to make a pit. Inside the pit, 0.56 cubic meter of fertilizers and 0.09 cubic meter of sand was put. How much soil is needed to fill up the pit and how much soil will be left over? Now, what is the volume of pit? What amount of soil is taken out? That is 3.15 cubic meter. Question number 7. Volume of pit made to plant a tree. A tree is equal to 3.15 cubic meter. Is it? Now, amount of fertilizers is put is equal to 0.56 cubic meter and amount of sand is put 0.09 cubic meter. So volume of pit is filled by, or part of it is filled by fertilizers and sand is equal to 0.56 plus 0.09 cubic meter. Therefore, soil needed to fill the pit (3.15 minus 0.65 cubic meter). So the leftover soil is 0.65 cubic meter. What amount that sand and fertilizer is filled, that much soil will left. Nothing to find, is already found, na? It is this much sand and fertilizer is put, so that much soil will be left over. If you want, you can subtract 3.15 minus 2.5, you will get 0.65. Number 8. 12.20 kg of flour, 4.82 kg of sugar and 0.37 kg of salt were used to bake biscuits. Afterwards, 0.56 kg of sugar and 0.11 kg of baking soda were also added. At the end of 1.048 kg of mix remained unused. How much material in all went into making biscuits? So first of all, we'll add all the materials used to make biscuit. Then we'll subtract the unused material. See, Question number 8. Flour 12.20 kg. Sugar 4.82 kg. When we write it in a vertical form, always keep it in mind, decimals should be in a straight line. Salt 0.37 kg. Afterward, 0.5 kg sugar more. More sugar or additional sugar, whatever you can write it, no problem. More sugar was 0.56 kg and baking soda 0.11 kg. So the weight of material used to make biscuits is equal to 2, 7, 9, 6 and 1, 7, 7, 14, 15, 16, 2, 8, 10 and 1, 11, 3, 14, 5, 19 and 1, 20, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 1. kg. Now mixture, unused mixture is equal to 1.048 kg. Now you see, up I had only 2 digits, down 3 digits. So what I will do, I'll give 1 0. So 10 minus 8 2, 5 minus 4 1, 0. This much kg of material used to make biscuits. This here you can write 17.012 kg of materials. Materials used to make biscuits. So till today, till here only. You keep practicing. Thank you.